median. Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Middlemost observation means the middle observation. From the given data, we need to find the middle number. Okay. Then median of ungrouped data. This you have studied anyway last year. First step. Arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th observation is median. Okay. If n is even, median will be the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1 the observation. Okay. That is, for finding the median of ungrouped data, we need to arrange the observations in either ascending order or descending order. Then select the middle one. Okay. And for selecting the middle one, if n is odd, we can select that n plus 1 by 2th observation. That will be in the middle. And if n is an even number, you know that two numbers will be there in the middle. That is n by 2th number and the next number. Then we can select the average of these two observations. That will be the median. Okay. For example, find the median of the data. Question number 1. 7, 1, 4, 2, 6, 8 and 3. Okay. So first we can arrange this in the ascending order. Either ascending order or descending order. Just we can select the ascending order. So which is the lowest one? Here it is 1. So we can arrange it 1. The next it is 2 is there. Next 3 there. Then next 4. Then 5 is not there. Then next 6. Then 7. Then 8. How many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the value of n? It is 7. If n equal to 7, you know that n is an odd number. So we can select what? The next number. That is 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. Okay. So it is 8 by 2 means what? Fourth observation. Select the fourth observation. Understand? So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, fourth observation is 4. So which is the median? The middle observation is 4. Okay. Now another question. Second question. Suppose the observations are 12, 4, 7, 8, 15, 10. Okay. Now the first step, we need to find the median. First step, we can arrange this in ascending order. Okay. So which is the lowest number? Smallest value here it is 4. Then next 7. Then 8. Next 10. Then 12. Then 15. Now what is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6. Means n is even. If n is even, we know that two numbers will be there in the middle. So how we can find it? Select that n by 2. That is 6 by 2 means 3. That is third observation. And the next observation. N by 2 plus 1 means third observation and fourth observation we are finding. Third and fourth observations, you are selecting the average. 1, 2, 3. Here it's the third observation and fourth, the next one. Okay. So you know that two numbers here and two numbers here. These two we are avoiding. Then 8 and 10. Third observation and fourth observation, you are finding the average. Okay. So n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1 the observation, we are finding the average. 8 plus 10 means 18 by 2 means 9. N is 9, which is the average of third and fourth observations. Okay. It is the median of ungrouped data. Next we are going to study median of grouped data. Median of grouped data. So before that we need to understand this idea, that is cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. See, two columns are given. Class intervals are given and frequency. Okay, class intervals and frequency given. Now see that 5 to 10, 10 to 15, etc. That is up to 40 to 45. The total it is given. The frequency sum it is 49. Now here less than type. So we are going to find the less than type cumulative frequency. For that you need to select the upper limits. Suppose it is given as marks 5 to 10 means what? So just we are selecting frequency 5 means 5 students got marks between 5 and 10. Less than 10 means how many students got marks less than 10? That is same as frequency 5. So this column we are going to write cumulative frequency. Okay. Now the next column it is, here the upper limit is what? 15. So we need to write less than 15. Less than 15. How many students got marks less than 15? You know that less than 10 means that also less than 15. So we can add the numbers 5 and 6. Okay. So we can add here it is 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. Now we can say that less than 15, 11 students are there. 11 students got marks less than 15. Now the next column, less than 20. Upper limit we need to select. Less than 20. So we know that between 15 and 20, 15 students are there. But less than 15, you know, 11 students are there. So we can add this number 11 plus 15. Okay. So 11 plus 15 means 26. The same way next one also. Next less than 25. Less than 25 means less than 20, 26 students are there. Plus between this class here it is 10. So we can see it is 36. Next less than 30. Can you understand this idea? Less than 30 means less than 25, 36 students are there. Plus within this class here it is 5. So it becomes 41. Then less than next upper limit 35. Less than 35 means 41 plus 4. That is 45. Next less than 40. Less than 40. Here it is 45 plus the same. Here it is 2. That is 47. Next last column. Here it is less than 45. Less than 45 means here it is 47 plus what's the frequency here? 2. So that is 49. Now you can see that less than 45, how many students are there? 49 means total frequency, that's the strength of the class, is 49. So all the 49 students got marks less than 45. Understand? So less than 45 means total frequency will be here. Okay. So these numbers are the cumulative frequencies. 5, 11, 26, 36, 41, 45, 47 and 49. Understand? Cumulative frequency you are finding. And for finding the median of grouped data, this cumulative frequency we need to find first. Okay. Median of a grouped data. So some steps are there, just we can write that. See, first step, prepare cumulative frequency table that we have discussed now. The same way for the given data we need to prepare the cumulative frequency distribution. Second, find n by 2 or sigma fi by 2. So n by 2 means total frequency, that is sigma fi by 2, total number of observations by 2 or sigma fi by 2 that we are finding. Third step, locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than n by 2. This class is called median class. So here we need to select a median class which is having a frequency, cumulative frequency greater than n by 2. Which is having cumulative frequency more than n by 2. Okay. Then next, use the formula for calculating median. After finding this median class, we need to select the formula. That is, this formula you need to by heart. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. See, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now, what is L? Which is the lower limit of median class. That is, L is the lower limit of median class. Then N, you know that we have discussed number of observations or sigma fi, because n by 2 needed. Know that we have already given the n by 2. Then CF. CF means cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Okay, cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Median class we have selected. No, just before that, the cumulative frequency we are selecting. Next, F, frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Then H, class size, width of the class or size of the class. Okay. Now, see one example question. Monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality given. Find the median. So, data given, 2 columns are given, monthly consumption in units and number of consumers. Okay. So, here it is the data, 65 to 85, 4, 85 to 105, 5, 105 to 125, 13, then 125 to 145, 20, 145 to 165, 14, 165 to 185, 8, 185 to 205, 4. Okay. Now, what is sigma fi? Here you know that it is fi, frequency. So, what is sigma fi? You know, here it is sigma fi. What is it? It is given in the question. See that electricity of 68 consumers. 68. So, we can say that sigma fi, it is 68. Just you can add all these numbers, you will get 68. That is the value of n or sigma fi. Understand? Now, the first step is just you need to find the less than cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency distribution. For that, you have to select the upper limits and also this column cumulative frequency. Then upper limits we can select. Here it is upper limit 85 means less than 85. We are selecting less than cumulative frequency. No. So, less than cumulative frequency. For that, less than 85. 4 families, 4 consumers are there. Then next, less than 105. For that, what we can say, less than 85 means which is less than 105 also. So, we need to add these numbers. 4 plus 5. What is that? 9. Next, less than 125. That is 9 plus the same class frequency. 9 plus 13. What is that? 22. Okay. Next, less than, next class 145. Less than 145 means how much? 22 plus 20. 22 plus 20 means 42. Next, less than 165. So, what is that? 42 plus the same class frequency, 14. So, what is that? 56. Then next, less than 185. Here it is 56 plus 8. Then 64. Then next class 205. So, less than 205. That is 64 plus 4. That is 68. So, you know that the last column means last cumulative frequency will be same as sigma fi. Understand? Now, the value of n you got. So, we can select n by 2. What is n by 2 equal to? 68 by 2, which is 34. Okay. Now, we can write the formula. What is the formula for finding median? Median equal to, the formula it is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. You need to by heart this formula. And median class we need to select. No. So, which is median class? How we can select median class? That is the class in which cumulative frequency just more than n by 2. Just more than n by 2. Which is n by 2? 34. So, which class we need to select as the median class? Here it is above 34, you can see that 4, 9, 22, 42. So after 34, this number is coming 42. Cumulative frequency column, just you select the cumulative frequency more than n by 2. Just more than n by 2. Okay. And 42 corresponding to that, which class will be there? Here it is 125 to 145. See that corresponding to this line, it is there, no? So 125 to 145, which is the median class. Okay, median class 125 to 145. This we are selecting. Median class equal to 125 to 145. Then next L. Now we can say what is L equal to 125. Then what is n by 2? That you already got here, it is 34. N by 2 equal to 34. Then what is CF? That is cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. Preceding the median class means here this class we have selected as median class just before that. Okay, here it is 22. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, 22. Next F. F is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class, which is that 20. Understand? So F equal to 20. Now what is the size of the class? H equal to H, width of the class or size of the class means upper limit minus lower limit. So here we are getting 20. Okay. For all the classes, it is same. Upper limit minus lower limit. H equal to 20. Now we can just substitute. That is equal to L plus means here it is 125 plus n by 2 means 34 minus CF means it is 22 by F means it is 20. Then into H also 20. Now the next step. 125 plus what is 34 minus 22? 12. 12 by 20 into 20. This 20 you can cancel. So what we are getting? 125 plus 12. So what is our answer? 137. So which is the median of the given data. Okay, median of the given data.